everyone, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. So you all have been asking about my skincare and my hair care routine for a very long time, and I have finally come up with that video. So those who have been watching my videos for quite some time now probably know how I am totally into organic products, how I prefer organic products over everything, and whatever face masks, face packs I make are all DIY homemade masks and packs using very safe organic ingredients. So obviously whatever products that I use for my skincare routine are very organic in nature, they are very safe and just super amazing. So let me tell you, I have had a very bad history of acne. There used to be a time when my face was full of pimples, full of redness, acne scars. My face used to be so dull. There used to be no glow on my face, and I tried so many medicines, so many face creams, gels and whatnot. Nothing used to work on my face until I found these products that I'm gonna show you now. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the magical products that literally saved my skin as well as my hair are by Ayurveda. Now this is a brand that uses only organic, natural and ayurvedic ingredients in its products, so it's got to be amazing. So I started using these products around 7-8 months back, and I could see amazing results, amazing changes in my face as well as my hair within a month. So that is just wow. So this brand has a lot of products for your skincare as well as your hair care routines. I have mentioned the link to this site in my description box below, so you can check it out later. So these are the main products that I use on a daily basis, and these are my best products from the site. The first product I'm going to show you is the Revitalizing Hair and Scalp Gel. Now this gel is really nice. It prevents hair fall, it promotes hair growth, it takes care of any dandruff on your scalp, it makes your hair really shiny and bouncy, and it really increases the volume of your hair. And yeah, what else do you want? And the MRP is about 900 rupees, but if you click the link in my description box below, you can get up to 30 to 50% off. So you can get this for around 500 rupees, which is pretty nice. Now I'm gonna show you how to use it. So I just open the product and I take a little bit of the gel in my fingers like this, and very smoothly and softly I apply it all over my hair. So this gel can be applied in many ways. One is that you apply it like I'm doing right now, and you just leave it for 30 minutes to 1 hour and then just rinse it off to get a really smooth shiny look. Or you can apply it and leave it overnight and then shampoo your hair the other day. Or you can apply a really small amount and use it in styling your hair. Also, I apply this gel thrice a week, and I just leave it for 1 hour and I just rinse it off with water. So I have applied the gel now, and I'm gonna leave it for 1 hour as usual, and we move on to our next product. Now we have a 100% natural charcoal scrub. This scrub cleanses, exfoliates and unclogs all the pores on your face, and guess what? This is just for 100 rupees. I mean, look at the quantity. Only for 100 rupees, and on top of that you're getting 30 to 50% off, so that is just... So to apply this, I just take a brush, I dip it in and start applying on my face. Again, this can be applied in many ways. One is you just take a small amount and scrub it all over your face and rinse with water immediately, just like a face wash, normal face wash. Or you can do what I'm doing, that is apply a thin layer of this all over your face and leave it for about 15-20 minutes and then rinse with water.
Twenty minutes later.
So it has been 20 minutes and this is really dry now, so I'm just gonna take a damp towel and wipe it off. and I will just rinse it with water now. So I have rinsed my face and it is feeling so cool and it feels so clean and so light and it's so soft and so smooth right now. I love this product and it's glowing. My face is glowing so much. Also, it has been an hour and my hair mask, the gel, is absolutely dry now, so I'm gonna rinse my hair and come back. Okay, so I just rinsed and dried my hair and look at them. They are shining. Look at the volume. Just look at the volume this gel has gave me, and my hair feels so soft, so smooth, and they smell amazing. Just imagine if this is what the gel is doing in 1 hour. Just imagine what it will do if you keep it overnight and if you're using it regularly. So this is just amazing. Okay, now we move on to our next product, which is Purifying Glow Daily Leave-On Gel Mask. Now this is a mask that I use on a daily basis. This mask takes care of any dark spot, blemishes, spots, marks, anything on your face. I got rid of all my acne marks from using this gel, and it is also used for moisturizing your skin and removing tan. And just like the hair mask, I take some of the gel on my fingers and apply a thin layer all over my face using my fingers only. Now this mask can be applied in 3 ways. One is to use very little amount, just take very little amount and apply it all over your face as a moisturizer and just apply it and you're good to go. Another way is to apply a thin layer like I'm doing right now all over your face and just leave it for around 30 minutes and then rinse off with water. And the third way is to apply this gel all over your face and leave it overnight, and in the morning you don't even have to rinse it off. You're just good to go as it is. So again, it has been 30 minutes and this is all dry now, so I'm gonna go and rinse it off. I rinsed my face and again my face is feeling so cool, so soft, and just look at that glow. I mean, wow, these products are really nice. Trust me, you have to try them out. The next few products I'm gonna tell you really quickly because I can't really show you how to use them and apply them. So yeah. So now we have our herbal hair oil. This oil is really nice for the hair. It really takes care of any damaged hair. It really strengthens your hair, make them shiny, smooth and long, and it really takes care of hair fall. So this is really nice. I use this oil once a week and this oil costs about 800 rupees, but again you have 30 to 50% off. So yeah, really nice hair oil. Next we have the 100% fibrous aloe vera juice. Now it sounds really weird because aloe vera is really yuck in taste, but this juice is really nice in taste. I really like the taste of this juice, and it is 100% aloe vera, so it contains vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and we all know how good aloe vera is for the hair and the skin. So this juice is really good for your overall health. And the last products we have for today are the handmade soaps. So this one is coconut milk and honey soap. So this will obviously make your skin really smooth, very soft, and give a natural glow to your body. And the other one is activated charcoal soap. So this will really provide deep cleansing to your body, remove all the dust and the dirt, and also take care of dead skin cells. And these are just for 90 rupees plus you have the discount, so this is an amazing deal. You should definitely go for them. And with that, we finally end our today's video. These were the products that I use the most on a regular basis for my hair and skincare routines. Please remember, these are not the only products that the brand has. It has numerous products, so don't forget to check out their site. The link is given in the description box below. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed today's video and that you will try out these products. Trust me, if they can suit my skin, they can suit any skin. So they are really safe. Please don't forget to like this video, comment, share, but most importantly subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thanks a lot for watching throughout the video, and that is pretty much all for today. So I'll see you all the next time.